Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to hopefully resolve if you're having issues connecting to a Bluetooth device as well as with wireless displays. So Bluetooth device and wireless displays are on the rise again because of their compatibility and ease of access. So some reasons of these issues are your PC is not discoverable to other Bluetooth devices, the Bluetooth driver is not working properly or is outdated, the device might be paired but not connected, and the wireless display may not be connected correctly. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to making your PC discoverable Bluetooth. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so just type settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong settings, ang next step ay dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth and devices. So itap mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung ating Bluetooth. So kailangan natin itong i-turn on. So dito sa right side ay i-click mo lang tong button niya para ma-turn on siya. So once na turn on mo na tong Bluetooth, ang next step ay dito lang sa devices ay itap mo lang ito. And next step is scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung more Bluetooth settings. Okay? So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And pop up itong Bluetooth settings. Ang next step ay makikita mo dito yung discovery. So kailangan mo lang i-check tong box na allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC. So naka-check yan. And then click mo lang dito yung apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa settings, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to updating Bluetooth driver. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword dabmgmt.msc, that is one word, and this is the keyboard shortcut of device manager. And then next step ay tap mo lang dito yung okay. And once na open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth, and then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And the next step ay kailangan natin i-update yung ating Bluetooth device. Okay, so makikita nyo dito yung ating name. So select and right click, and itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang dito yung search automatically. So i-click mo lang yan and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then, so after dito, and close lang natin tong device manager, at dito lang si start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to troubleshoot issues connecting to Bluetooth devices and wireless display. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.